All right, so welcome to day 3 of the Sabre 45 build. Normally start at the transom, we work our way forward. Thought I'd mix it up a little bit. We are actually down in the unassigned space on this Sabre 45. As you look down here, you can see we have our transducers installed. We have a pair of GT51s. We have a smart tri-ducer with the plug right there. So if you ever have to remove it, you can quickly pop it out. As we look into the cabinets over here, you can see we've got a plug right there. That is for the Garmin on deck hub. That is going to let us know if we have shore power on board. That plugs into there, so that's hidden out of the way, not using up a valuable outlet space. So let's go ahead, let's climb out of here. Let's go up, let's see what's going on at the helm, and go from there. All right, so before we get to the helm, I kind of wanted to show off again our guys. The lists have been coming together. We've actually been getting things checked off the list. I know more stuff's getting added there as we go. We've got this whole list over here with our NMEA, talking about what's going on there, what's going on the hard top, things need to get done, chalking off things as we go. You guys watch any of the auto shows or whatever, there's always a list. So that's what we do here. We got a list. And as we make our way over to the dash here, you can see we have our network port expander. We've added one here, so we've got one here. We've got the NMEA Network started right up there. Our on deck we've already gone over. We've got a Seakeeper right here. That Seakeeper is going to get networked into our Volvo Garmin displays, so we've got that cable ordered up and getting that all coming. So next step is to go down there, and Shannon's been hard at work. Let's go see what's going on in that space, because I know there's been a lot going on there. All right, so as we go into the guest cabin here on the Sabre 45, Shannon's been hard at work doing a lot of the wiring, getting everything crammed into this tight little space here. You can see we've got our wiring diagram for our stereo upgrade there. So you look up, you can see there is our JL amp for our exterior speakers, our kicker amp for our interior speakers, our Garmin network hub, our NMEA 2000 network there, and all our wiring and hub. And then we kind of pan around some more. You can see we've got our DirecTV stuff going on there, their NMEA network, the AIS and the VHF black boxes. And we continue to pan around there. You can see more DirecTV stuff. You can see the Garmin sonar module. And if we pan up, there is even more DirecTV stuff. So, like I said, there's a lot going on into this build, and that's just in this one little space. So stay tuned. We're going to keep going along, keep doing the Daily Chronicles. You guys got any questions, anything you want to see on this boat, please leave it below in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer it for you. Peace.